Hi, rKavanaugh here again in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. It's nice and beautiful out today. It's a great day to come out and look at a motorhome or two. Today I'd like to show you this brand new 2022 Winnebago Navion. If you know the Navions, they're the top of the line in this class. It is a Class C on a Mercedes Sprinter chassis. It's the model 24J. So it's got the corner bed and one big slide out on the driver's side. This one is got the partial paint. Relatively affordable from a Navion point of view. Let's go have a look on the inside. So again, this is a brand new Navion 24J sitting on a Mercedes Sprinter chassis. So you've got everything's brand new, of course, up here. A nice big LED screen. It's on the Mercedes diesel 3-liter motor. Gets great gas mileage. Of course, as you know, the driver and passenger seats here rotate, so they become part of the living room. Look at all this space you have. Again, this is about 25 feet in length, so a lot of space. You got a U-shaped booth here. You know, with these Navions, you have really nice finishes. They're very popular. They're very beautiful. Very nice finishes. Decent storage. And then also you have the cab over above the driver. So have a look at this. Of course, this is brand new, so it still has the plastic wrap on it. So that's nice. You have two beds, plus the dinette breaks into a bed. As we move back, you have a nice little kitchen galley here with lots of decent counter space, especially when you have these sink toppers. But you have some really good space down below. Big drawers. So you have these stainless steel sink with these sink toppers. Very nice. Pretty deep. Of course, you have this extender. Look at this. You have a nice integrated 32-inch TV with a very nice sound bar right here. So it's a great viewing angle. You sit back in the U-shaped booth, you're able to watch TV. Again, more storage. And of course, you have LED lighting throughout and air conditioning and all of that. You got a nice induction stove. You also have a gas stove, and then you have this very nice refrigerator here. It's pretty large for an RV. It's an electric refrigerator, and then you have your controls up here, and then you have your microwave convection oven combination here, so that saves a lot of space, and then you have more storage throughout here. Very nice feature. You got a nice little pantry here. You can store all kinds of things there. And then as we move back, you have another sink, the bathroom sink here. And then you have a corner bed. It's a full size. You also have another television right here, so you can lay back against the headboard. You got lamps, you got reading lamps. You got a big window right here. And of course, you got a nice little TV. And of course, up above, you have more storage. And this is pretty deep, pretty big. So Navion does a great job with integrating as much storage in a small space. And then lastly, you know, you have the bathroom here. And it's a nice sized shower considering the fact that this is a small little motorhome. So again, my name's rKavanaugh. This is a brand new 2022 Navion 24J. These are very popular. I won't say they're cheap, but if you know the Navions, you know the quality and the availability especially. They're very rare. They usually sell before they ever arrive. This one has arrived and it is available. So come have a look. It will not last. Again, I'm rKavanaugh. I'd love to show you this motorhome. Take it for a test drive. You'll see what it is like driving on the Mercedes Sprinter chassis. These things are very easy to drive. They get very good gas mileage. And this is a nice little compact motorhome that you can drive in the city. Information's below. Again, rKavanaugh. ask for me when you call in, or drop by and ask for Rob Kavanaugh. I'd be happy to show you this or any other motorhome. Have a great day.